Is it possible to recover deleted Instagram direct messages?
Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a burning question that many of you have asked. Is it possible to recover deleted Instagram direct messages? We know how important those messages can be, so let's dive right in and explore the possibilities.
Understanding Instagram's message deletion system.
To begin, let's first understand how Instagram handles message deletion. When you delete a direct message on Instagram, it is typically removed from your chat history. This means that the message will no longer be visible to you or the recipient. However, this deletion is not permanent, at least not immediately.
The recovery options.
Now that we know the basics, let's discuss the different recovery options available to you. Option 1. Archived chats. One possible way to retrieve deleted messages is by checking your archived chats. Instagram allows you to archive conversations, which hides them from your main chat list. To access your archived messages, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. 2. Go to your direct messages by tapping on the paper airplane icon. 3. Scroll to the top of the chat list and look for the Archive option. 4. Tap on Archive to view all your archived conversations. If you find the conversation you're looking for in the archive, you can simply unarchive it, and the messages will reappear in your chat history. Option 2. Message recovery tools. There are various third-party tools and applications claiming to recover deleted Instagram messages. While some of these tools may work, it's important to exercise caution and be mindful of potential privacy risks. We strongly advise against providing your Instagram login credentials to any untrusted sources, as this could compromise your account security.
Instagram support.
If you're unable to recover your deleted messages using the aforementioned methods, your best bet is to reach out to Instagram's support team. They may be able to provide further assistance or offer insights into whether message recovery is possible in your specific case. To contact Instagram support, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping on the person icon at the bottom right. 3. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top right. 4. Scroll down and select Settings. 5. From the Settings menu, choose Help. 6. Tap on Report a problem or Something isn't working. 7. Describe your issue and submit it to Instagram's support team. And there you have it, folks. While it may be challenging to recover deleted Instagram direct messages, there are a few options you can explore. Remember to check your archived chats, exercise caution when using third-party tools, and don't hesitate to reach out to Instagram's support team for assistance. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and provided you with valuable information. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.